Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Spotlight series. And today we have with us Mr. Piyush Garg, Director of AGF Foods India Private Limited. Over to you, sir. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hello, listeners. Myself is Piyush Garg, Director and Founder of AGS Foods India Private Limited. We are mainly in the rice products, especially basmati rice. Our brand name is Tanish Gold Basmati Rice. Whatever brand is available in the market right now, all are the blending rice. Not a pure basmati rice is available in the market at any cost. So our motto to provide a quality product to the every household person for the healthy food and healthy life. So our main motto is to provide pure basmati rice.
So, sir, अभी आपके ब्रांड के अंदर क्या-क्या challenges did you see in the market?
The main challenges in the market is the competition of the price and quality. The quality which we are giving is not available in market at any cost. But they are selling their cargo at a very competitive price because they are not giving the pure 100% pure basmati rice. And they are giving the organic they are not giving the organic rice. Our rice is 100% organic, and the main thing is the purity of the rice. Once you will be use it, you will be come to know what is the difference between the other brands which is available in the market and which we are providing right now. Right now we are only giving on the cost price. We are not earning anything to just to reach to Indian household peoples, and they come to know of till before 10 years from today, whatever rice they was using in their kitchen, they have the natural fragrance. But in the nowadays, whatever rice is coming in the market, all has the artificial fragrance. So once you use, you cook, you eat it, then you will come to know you will feel like 15 year back, whatever pure basmati was coming in the market, that is available again in the brand of Tanish Gold. And the challenges is only to reach to household to the marketing. So we just started this brand in the locally. Our brand is quite famous in the international market. So for the Indian market, we just started and we are hoping to reach to every household very soon.
मैं यहाँ से पूछना चाहूँगा बिकॉज़ आपका फैमिली ट्रेडिशन बिज़नेस है। इस बिज़नेस में क्या उतार-चढ़ाव आप मार्केट में देखते हैं? अगले नेक्स्ट ईयर्स में क्या गवर्नमेंट ऐसी पॉलिसी ला रही है जो टेक्नोलॉजी उसको और ईज़ी कर ले, लोगों तक आपका सामान ईज़िली पहुँचे, आपके ब्रांड की विज़िबिलिटी ईज़िली पहुँचे?
तो देखिए, ऑब्वियसली टेक्नोलॉजी का ज़माना है। आज के डेट में विदाउट टेक्नोलॉजी कोई भी बिज़नेस सक्सेस नहीं हो सकता है। तो ई-कॉमर्स प्लेटफ़ॉर्म्स है, सोशल मीडिया है और ऐसे बहुत सारे मार्केटिंग के प्लेटफ़ॉर्म्स हैं जो हम ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग आगे भी एआई टूल्स भी लेके आ रहे हैं। हमारा मोबाइल ऐप भी अवेलेबल है, जो आप ऐप स्टोर से या प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और हमारा प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। So obviously technology matters in today's business. So we are using whatever technology available, and government policies are obviously favorable for the rice business in the nowadays. Government is supporting a lot, and the main thing is the price factor. The This is the commodity market. Everyday market price is fluctuate, but the local market price always stand on a fixed price. So that is the challenges for us to provide the quality product on the when the market goes very high. So international policies decide the prices of the product. It depends whatever international demand is coming, they fix the prices. So government is supporting to fix and stabilize the prices, and definitely we will be competing in the market and the nowadays, and our brand will be the good one in the market in coming days.
What your growth story of the brand? How your brand becomes so famous in the market? Now, Tanishq Gold is rice is in every household these days.
So see, I'm coming from very low profile. I was the person who was started my career with the 6,000 rupees per month job, and today we are in the top 10 exporter of the rice from India. And we launches our brand to just to earn the reputation and to provide the quality food product. So brand is quite famous. Whenever in whatever market we sold this cargo, we have the continue repeat orders, and the end consumer is also very happy with the quality of the product. And it will be available on the pan India basis in very short time. And definitely we will provide you the very quality product in the future also.
ऑलराइट सर, मुझे गोयल साहब आपसे एक सवाल और पूछना है, कहाँ से आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है?
सो देखिए, इंस्पिरेशन, मेन इंस्पिरेशन तो मेरे मदर फादर है, वहीं से मुझे मिला। मेरे बड़े ब्रदर है, उन्होंने इंस्पायर किया, उन्होंने कंपनी स्टार्ट किया था, बट नाउ ही इज़ नो मोर विथ अस, सो हिज इंस्पिरेशन इज़ ऑलवेज विथ अस। बट येस, डेफिनिटली आवर कंज्यूमर, आवर बायर्स, आवर इंस्पिरेशन, बिकॉज़ विदाउट दैट वी कैन नॉट बी डू एनीथिंग। So they are also big inspiration for us. They are always motivate us. They always support us. They always buy the product and give us the opportunity to serve them and to build the brand. So definitely they are also a very big motivator and inspiration for us.
थैंक यू सर शेयर करने के लिए। मेरा अगला प्रश्न आपसे एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ल्ड से है। आप क्या फ्री टाइम में बुक और मूवी देखना पसंद करते हैं? आप बताना चाहेंगे? और कोई आउटसाइड एक्टिविटी?
So फ्री टाइम में बेसिकली मैं बिजनेस मूवीज देखना पसंद करता हूँ, लाइक गुरु on the Manis family and many more on the business families. So I really like to see the movies. But yes, one book I read in the past and it inspired me more. The book name was the book inspired that what you think that will be happen. So before 15 years, I thought to start a company and to become a world best seller of the rice or any agri product. On that time, I was thinking about the pulses, but unfortunately, I left the pulses, and yes, definitely going doing good in the rice. So I think before 15 years to become a director of the company who will be serve the rice to the world. And today we are serving almost to the 42 countries for the Indian rice. So definitely that book inspired me a lot.
राइट, राइट, राइट। सर थैंक यू सो मच आपका समय देने के लिए। और मैं चाहूँगा विश यू लक एंड से बातचीत करके अच्छा लगा। हम चाहेंगे कि आपका ब्रांड इसी तरह ग्रो करे एंड विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Thank you. Thank you very much and wish you the very best of luck. Thank you.